Auto attendants are interactive voice recording that allows callers to make selections in order to route calls to their desired destination. The most common use for an auto attendant is directing the main phone number to route callers to a menu prompt. Clicking the Auto Attendant option in the Manager portal will take you to your Auto Attendant Center. Here you can edit existing auto attendants, delete them, and create new ones. To add an auto attendant, click the Add Attendant button. Name the auto attendant and give it an extension. Note the extension cannot be changed once the auto attendant has been created. Then select a time frame for the auto attendant to be in effect. Refer to our tutorial video on time frames to learn more about this feature. Then click Add. Now you can choose to add intro greetings or menu prompts to the auto attendant. Separating intro greetings from menu prompts allows you to change greetings for holidays or nighttime hours, for example, without re-recording the whole message. If you want the caller to listen to an entire message before being able to make any menu selections, set up an intro greeting. If you want the caller to be able to interact with the menu right away, skip the intro greeting and set up the menu prompts. In order for the auto attendant to function, you must have at least one menu prompt. Refer to our tutorial videos on how to set up intro greetings and menu prompts for more info.